बोलो। Dr. Harsh Kumar Tyagi, MSc, PhD in Botany, MCA from IGNOU, and B.Ed and M.Ed from Annamala University. MA English also, and retired as a principal in a college. Okay. बोलो। Blood is in fluid tissue, and the blood contains granulocytes and agranulocytes. In granulocytes, exact active substances are also present, nutritive substance, protein, etc., and also help in phagocytosis. They protect from infection. Infection can be stained, and work by hypersensitivity can be stained by eosine. Second is basophil, lower in member, divided than two red lobes, blood corpuscles, RBC, erythrocytes, average 3 to 55, public, RBC 2.5 into 10 की power 13, RBC in blood, RBC biconcave, formed red bone marrow or biconcave, chromatin protein present, carbonic carbohydrate present, hemocyanin 2 16 gram, and hemoglobin porphyrin. Hemoglobin is equal to porphyrin plus heme. Next hemoglobin so short is called anemia. Then WBC, white blood corpuscles, it is leukocytes also called, less than the RBC, and it is nucleated. In nucleate, they are found 5002 per cubic. It is diagram. In granulocytes, basophils एक्टिव होती हैं, एमोबाइट, एओसिन हेल्प in coloring, nuclear is present in nucleus is called eosinophilia. If eosin is shorted, then it is called eosinophilia. Neutrophil number 4 to 5000. Number 4 to 5000, small structure and called nucleolus polymorphic type, eosin. Phagocytosis, it is formed the bar body from sex chromosomes. Next is monocytes. Agranulocytes, they don't contain nucleus. For example, is lymphocytes. Antibodies present, blue cells, nucleus round, monos nucleus present, 2.5 thousand per cubic milliliter. Cytoplasm less than nucleus round. It forms antibodies and destroy pathogen. Lymphocytes are formed various types. They are phagocytosis in nature. Monocytes होनी है 6.8 per cubic milliliter and 2 to 10 nucleolus per big. Phagocytosis. Blood platelets are also called thrombocytes. Non-nucleotide always help in clotting, help in hemocytosis. They stop the bleeding. Lifespan of homostasis, they do not do responding. They react to the delays, diabetes, hemostasis, help in production of new corpuscles, red bone. Basophils and platelets. Monocytes contain small nucleus, and platelets, they contain nucleus is not so well developed. Blood groups. Blood groups were discovered by Karl Landsteiner. They contain antigen A, antigen B, small b, and if the blood is given to them, they are best protein. If they are next antibody and antigen, antibody B या small b और alpha population 11.5, anti A and B absent 1.5, दोनों A and B 14.5. Then antigens A, B, then A and AB and A and O blood groups. A and B not, that all A, B and O, A and B, A, B and O, O. If we see the diagram of blood groups, how they can be formed, antigens AB, BA, AB, none, OAB. Donors AB, it is no clumping, no clumping, clumping, non-clumping, clumping, non-clumping. In AB, no antigen, so it is formed non-clumping 1 2 3 4. Then 1 2 3 4 1, it is clumping 1 2 3 because it is called donor, and AB is universal recipient. It is present. हो गया. Thus anti-A, it contains anti-B serum and blood group A. If anti-A serum is present, then anti-B serum is present, then blood group is B. If anti-A, anti-B, then serum A and B both present, AB blood group. And in the last O group में contain anti-B serum 1 and 2 and O blood group is present. That's